as we had a conversation that you are also a meditator, so how meditation is helping you and how it can help more women and more people.
So one of the reasons I follow you is because I'm a meditator. So I that is first one of the reasons. And second is because I love with the conviction with which you speak and so authentic. So
Thank you
yes,
so much.
I
I'm
am
so
I am a
grateful.
meditator, Pragya, and it really helps because there is no other way you'll be able to listen to yourself, trust yourself, find yourself if you don't meditate. There is no way a book can also do that for you. For some,
Hmm.
books are also a meditation, a form of meditation, because you completely go into that. But if you really want to listen to yourself, go into that alpha state of mind where your mind is trying to
Hmm.
speak to you, tell you so many things. You just need that window of meditation to tell you. So
Wow.
it's very important. It's extremely important.
So powerful. It is going to motivate so many people towards meditation. Yeah.
It's important primarily to achieve your goals. If there is one concrete reason to meditate, is achieving your goals.
Wow. Yeah.
Every time I need an answer, I'm anxious, I don't know what to do, I trust me, you meditate and it will just come to you. It will just come to you. It's true. It is all within us. You just have to pay attention, and that paying attention will come through meditation.
100%. So beautifully put.